Hi guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be doing a restoration. So I've been camping since probably birth, and we've always had decorations, but when we got a permanent site, we got some extras. My mom does all the decorating, so she got this really pretty wind spinner, but the paint faded. And what do you do when the paint fades? You ask your daughter to redo it. So I have taken up painting her wind spinner, and I'm very excited for it. I've always loved this thing. The colors are great. I'm gonna try and stick to the original color scheme as best as I can. So I'm excited to bring it back to life for her. So let's get into it. So here's the wind spinner. As you can see, it is very colorful, much more colorful than it was before. I added 2 new colors. The orange and purple were not there before, but I decided to add the full rainbow. And both sides are the same. We can go around and see that they're the exact same. I painted the backs black to give it a clean, fresh appearance, so it turned out very nice. Overall, this project was one of my favorites in quite a while. I loved the original wind spinner design, so I kept to the original as best as I could. There are some differences. I will say it has never been this bright, but I am hoping that as it fades, it will just be a pastel. So I just want to show it to you and talk a little bit about it. This is it. It's huge, as you can see. I have to back up to show it in frame. My dad actually greased up the bearings, so hopefully they spin better. Before now, one side has always been better than the other, so we've always had issues with it not spinning. This took quite a bit of paint to cover. I used some serious acrylic paint because I wanted to give this the best chance of survival in the sunlight. And I say serious because I don't know what mixture of paint I am currently using in my big paint pots. I have been adding paint to those for years now, so there's no telling what's in there, but I also know that it's not the strongest paint that has ever existed. I really enjoyed doing this project. This was something that I have kind of had in the back of my mind for a little while now, but when my mom actually asked me to paint it for her, it just made my day. I actually did it in about 6 hours, give or take, and it was just a great day to paint. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next week.